Hello and welcome to Kilgore International. Today, we'll walk you through the setup process for our pediatric X-ray system using the CBM-3A chair and bench mount. To learn more, visit us at kilgoreinternational.com. Before we begin setup, let's review the components included with the pediatric X-ray system: the pediatric head, a rubber pediatric mask, a pediatric radiology model, the jaw lever system, and the CBM-3A chair and bench mount. Now, let's go over how to assemble the X-ray simulation mannequin on a compatible dental chair. The chair must have an adjustable headrest with a flat metal glide bar exposed when the headrest is raised. Start by attaching the CBM-3A mount to that metal glide bar. Use the black adjusting wheel on the CBM-3A to tighten the mount securely. Once it's attached, give the silver lever a quarter turn, just enough to give you room to work. Next, take the lever system. Ensure the mounting hole is completely clear, then slide it all the way down the pole. Repeat the same steps with the radiology model. Loosen the wing nut so the hole is open, and slide the model down the pole until it meets the lever system. Now, take the pediatric head and place it on top of the pole. Make sure the hole is clear and the wing nut is loosened. Inside the head, you'll feel and hear the internal stopper plate when it's in the correct position. At that point, tighten the wing nut onto the flat surface of the pole. Next, raise the radiology model so that it sits flush against the pediatric head. Then tighten the wing nut on the flat portion of the pole to secure it. Now lift the lever system with the jaw closed and let it rest gently against the jawline of the model. This is important. The jaw must be closed when positioning the lever system. To add tension, use your index finger to move the lever upward, then tighten it in place. If no additional tension is needed, just make sure the lever system fits snugly against the model's jawline. To open the jaw, press the lever system away from you using your thumb. To close it, press it back toward you with your index finger. The final step is to place the pediatric rubber mask over the head. Simply slide the mask into place. Ensure it's positioned securely and tighten it at the back. You can then use the silver lever to rest the mannequin head against the dental seat comfortably. Once the mask is secure, your pediatric X-ray simulation mannequin is fully assembled and ready for radiograph training. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding your setup process. For more information on our patient education models, school curriculum models, and simulation systems, visit us at www.kilgoreinternational.com. We appreciate your interest in Kilgore International, where we elevate dental education through patient simulation. Have a great day, and we look forward to connecting with you again soon.